You're not alone.
Millions of people earn good money, kabadhones vorringen in een zo'n pijn place, yet still struggle every month. Because income isn't the real problem. The real problem is what happens after payday.
Let's find out where your money is really going.
First mistake. I'm pleased to announce Michael's promotion. Cheers! Your income grows. But somehow, your savings don't. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't built by earning more. It's built by keeping more.
Quick question. Do you know exactly where every dollar went last month?
If not,
That's where your financial freedom begins.
every dollar needs a purpose.
Otherwise, they disappear, but that's only the beginning. The next mistake quietly destroys more wealth than you think, and almost everyone makes it. The second mistake is invisible, but incredibly expensive. It's called impulse buying. Companies don't sell products. They sell emotions. They want you to feel like buying will make you happier. But that feeling disappears fast. The credit card bill. Here's a simple trick. Use the 24-hour rule. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it, but most of the time you won't even remember why you wanted it. That's how wealthy people think. They pause before they purchase, because every dollar has another opportunity. Now let's talk about subscriptions. Most people forget they're even paying for them. $5 here, $10 there, and suddenly, you lost hundreds of dollars. Review every subscription today. Cancel anything that doesn't improve your life. Your future deserves that money more than forgotten. Apps, but there's one mistake that's even more dangerous than overspending. The most dangerous financial trap isn't low income. It's high-interest debt. Credit cards make spending feel painless, but the pain always arrives later. Interest quietly works against you every single day. One impulse purchase can cost twice as much. Over time, that's money your future self will never get back. Want a simple rule if you can't pay it off this month? Don't buy it. Your future is worth more than temporary excitement. Now let's talk about the habit wealthy people never skip. They pay themselves first before paying bills, before shopping, before entertainment, because saving what's left rarely works. There's almost never anything left. So reverse the order, automate your savings, because systems beat motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Good systems keep working. Now imagine losing your job tomorrow. Would your savings protect you, or would you panic? An emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It keeps you from becoming broke. And next, you'll discover the mindset that separates wealthy people from everyone else. The biggest difference between broke people and wealthy people isn't income, it's how they think about money. Consumers ask, what can I buy? Investors ask, what can this money become? One question creates expenses. The other creates wealth. Every dollar is a decision, and every decision shapes your future. Here's something most people never Realize you don't become wealthy by accident. You become wealthy through repeated habits. Small actions, repeated every day, become extraordinary results. Imagine your life 1 year from now. No debt, no paycheck anxiety, no financial fear, only confidence that future isn't reserved for millionaires. It's built one smart decision at a time. The first step starts today, but there's one financial principle that multiplies everything you've learned. And once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. The truth is, money doesn't change people. It reveals their habits. Give someone a higher salary without discipline, and they'll simply spend more. Give someone financial discipline, and every raise becomes another step toward freedom. Your salary is only a tool. Your habits decide how powerful that tool becomes. Remember, wealthy people don't chase appearances. They chase freedom, freedom to choose, freedom to travel, freedom to say no. That's what real wealth feels like. So ask yourself, are you building a lifestyle? Or are you building a future? Every decision matters. Every paycheck is another opportunity. Every month is another chance to improve. Your future self is counting on today's decisions. You don't need to become rich overnight. You just need to become a little smarter every day. One better decision, one better habit, and one powerful financial principle can multiply all of it. Now you know. The real reason so many high earners stay broke. It was never about the size of the paycheck. It was always about the choices made after payday. Your future isn't built in one day. It's built one decision at a time. Imagine where you could be 1 year from today. No panic when unexpected expenses appear. No anxiety every time rent is due. No fear every time you check your bank account. Only confidence that journey starts today, not next month. Not after your next raise, today, because the best investment you'll ever make is investing in your future self. And that's where real wealth begins, but saving is only the first step, because money sitting still has limits, but money that grows changes everything. That's the secret wealthy people understand. And it's exactly what we're covering next. If you enjoyed this video, click the video on your screen to discover the incredible power of compounding, because once your money starts working for you, you'll never look at wealth the same way again. I'll see you in the next video.